Welcome to the Reel. Welcome to the Hello, welcome to the first episode of No GMO Kitchen, the Manc menu, where all the ingredients are from nature, not from a lab. Now, I'll not go too far into it today, but as we progress, I'll explain the real reasons why GMOs exist in the first place and why we should avoid them at all cost. We highlight the obvious benefits of growing your own food, and if you don't got the space or time to do that, buying your produce at the local farmers market. There's something really satisfying about planting a few seeds, watering them and watching them grow, and then picking them and using them in your own cooking. It's not just about the quality of the taste, it's also a sense of freedom. I'm forever grateful for the fruit trees in the backyard, but we also built a couple of beds, which you can easily build at little cost. But if you don't have the time or the space to build a garden bed, just plant a couple of pots. You'll be amazed at what you can get out of them. It's not just the family I'm cooking for, it's also the critters, yeah? The raccoons who want something new every day. The birds who want the same thing. Of course, the cats who are even pickier. And I'm not even sure what to give this fella. Now, before we get started, I just want to give you a bit of backstory. As some of you probably guessed, I'm from Manchester, yeah? Hence the Manc menu. But I got interested in cooking when I lived in France in the 80s. And most people consider France the gastronomic capital of the world, yeah? So when I give a friend a taste of a dish, he replied, "That's good, I like it." And I was made up. You know what I mean? A Frenchman actually liking my cooking. But then he added, "But I wouldn't pay for it in a restaurant." So I was gutted. But then I realised, well, that's a good benchmark, yeah? That's the standard we've got to aim for. We should be trying to make food that people would pay for in a restaurant. So that's another thing that this channel's all about. At the end of every episode, I'll ask my wife, Hanny, or a guest, if they would pay for it in a restaurant. And hopefully, it'll pass the test.